Hi there. If you are having trouble with accessing the Weebly, what I'd like to do is just walk you through it again. In your URL, you want to type in warneracton.weebly.com, and you then want to, it'll take you to our homepage, and you're going to click on our course code, SCH3U. Then what you'll do is you'll go to our daily agenda. So much like other platforms, it's laid out for you to access the work. So for today's date, which is day 28, it's asking you to click here in order to view some of the content. So if I click here, it will then take you to a Google Docs slide presentation where I review all of the work. Now, the best thing to do is to view in present mode, and that way you can then just click on each of the videos as they come up, which is actually quite nice. And then what you'll want to do is when you go back to our site, if there's any accompanying worksheet, you would click on there, and then you would go to your download in order to access that worksheet, and then you can print that off or work on it right directly online and keep it in your files for future reference. So there's that. And then for the next day, again, same sort of thing. You go to day 29, click here for combustion reactions. It will take you to the lesson that you need. Again, click on the present mode, and then when you're done, you can then go back, and then here's the practice sheet that accompanies that. So it's pretty straightforward in terms of what you need to do. It's not overly complicated. For the next day, these slides here will take you up until the April 1st, and here you will access the work. And what will happen is the work is actually embedded within from this point on. So again, if you go to present mode, you will see that you've got the information. And in addition to the information on these slides, what will happen is you will also be directed towards different laboratories and activities to do that you will just click on. There's videos where it says problem set. You'll click on there as well. So I hope that that helps to clarify, and all the best to you. Take care.